Hey guys, so Jack is turning 1 on Monday, so I thought I would make a cake. I'm quite into making cakes, but they do take some time and thought, and now that I'm back at work, it's kind of, I don't know, it's just difficult finding the time, but I've managed to find what I think looks like a fairly easy recipe online, and yeah, I just want to do something fun for it. I've got my post-work jiggy trousers on, let's go! 280 grams of butter, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 250 grams of sugar, 5 large eggs, a couple of drops of this guy, vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All of this is just the same again because I'm going to make 2. One is the main base of the monkey and the other is the cake which I'm going to cut the ears and the nose out of. Hopefully it'll make sense. You know how most people when they do cooking videos they have everything laid out in really pretty bowls from Anthropology and it all looks amazing? This is what I'm working with right now. Woke up, so I've been upstairs with him trying to calm him down, and Sam's out, which means I have very little time to actually get this cake made and in the oven before it's like 3 AM in the morning or something and I have to wake up for work. In the oven, which is a big relief. So I've been celebrating anyway by eating nerds, which I haven't eaten for about 10 years. Melon and cherry. I don't even know where they came from, I just found them and they are blooming delicious.